Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the trigger on your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. This is a common issue that can affect the performance of your device, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. First, let's gather the tools you will need: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging your Dyson SV12 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the vacuum is completely powered off. Next, locate the screws on the handle of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. There are typically 3 screws that hold the handle in place. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the handle away from the body of the vacuum. You may need to wiggle it slightly to free it from any clips that may be holding it in place. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. Now, with the handle removed, you will see the trigger mechanism. Inspect the trigger for any signs of wear or damage. If it appears broken, it's time to replace it. To remove the old trigger, you will need to detach it from the mechanism. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it off. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the surrounding parts. Once the old trigger is removed, take your new trigger and align it with the mechanism. Press it into place until you hear a click, indicating it is securely attached. Before reassembling the handle, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of the vacuum. Use a soft cloth or a brush to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the efficiency of your vacuum. Now it's time to reattach the handle. Align it with the body of the vacuum and gently push it back into place. Make sure all clips are secured. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them with your Phillips screwdriver. Ensure they are snug, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Our professional diagnosis without obligation ensures you get the best advice for your situation. Once everything is reassembled, plug your Dyson SV12 back in and test the new trigger. It should operate smoothly, restoring your vacuum's functionality. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to tackle this yourself, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Plus, with no calls and no travel, our service is designed to be as convenient as possible for you. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the trigger on your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.